Hey guys, Miss Moore here. This video is going to be outlining the assignment for this week. This week we are doing a tone analysis, which I hope is a refresher for you guys since we have touched on tone this year. You are going to be getting to choose between a poem or a music video to analyze. You just have to analyze one this week. And after you read your poem or you watch your music video, you're going to fill out this graphic organizer. And so I'm going to go ahead and go over these questions that you are going to have to answer. So right here, I'm really wanting you to put the title of your poem or your music video and labeling if it is A, a poem, or B, a music video. Number one says, what is this poem, video, article about? You're really just worrying about the first two, the poem and video. So what you will do right here is this is where you're going to type your answer in a complete sentence. So you'll say the poem was about, and then you'll just go from there. I want your answers to be in complete sentences because this is an English class. So I do want you guys typing in complete sentences. So number one, you're giving me a summary of the video you watched or a summary of the poem that you read. Number two says, is the tone of the piece positive or negative? So in your resources page, there is a list of positive tone words and negative tone words. So think about it. Positive being good thing, negative being bad thing. Okay, so happy is a positive word, while angry is a negative word. So just be mindful of that as you're reading or watching your video. Is it positive or negative? And I think number two will help you lead to your answer in number three of what is the tone of this piece. You have a copy of the tone wheel on your It's Learning page. And so remember, when we're looking for tone, we are not looking at this middle piece. This middle piece, these are basic words to help describe tone, but it's a great start. And then you figure out which piece of the pie you're looking at, okay? So what is the tone of this piece? And number four kind of piggybacks off of that. So what elements support your claim about the tone? So this is your evidence, okay? This is where you pull a line from the poem or something that happened in the music video to help support your claim of the tone. So number five says, does the tone shift or change at some point in the work? It's okay if it doesn't, but does the tone go from positive to negative at the end? Or does the tone start out very negative and end up on a positive note? Is there a shift between positive tones? Is there a shift between negative tones? It's okay if there is not a tone shift in the poem or the music video, but just see if you can identify that shift if it is present in your poem and or music video. What are a few intentional choices the creator made to communicate their tone? So what are some choices that the author made to communicate that tone? Maybe what words did they use to help communicate that tone in a poem? Maybe they used some figurative language to communicate that tone. Maybe in a music video, they used specific images or specific colors to help communicate that tone. So you're really just analyzing how does the author communicate their tone. And then this leads us to number seven. So why do you think the creator wanted to communicate this tone? So what was their purpose for writing this piece or creating this music video, okay? So you start off with what is this piece about? It leads you to the tone of your piece, which is then gonna lead you to the purpose of why the creator created this piece. I hope this video helps you understand your expectations for this assignment. As always, please email your teachers, message them on It's Learning if you have any questions. Have a great day.